see the smile? You see it?
And every time you see somebody, get a big smile on your face and wave.
What?
We have to wave bye to him.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize.
You see the railroad crossing?
Not mine.
All right. Sorry about that.
I saw hog. I didn't both
It's not our balloons. Your balloons.
They're balloons. They're balloons.
And every time you see somebody, get a big smile on your face and wave. And if you smile and wave at everyone you see, you'll want to pet.
They'll pop their balloons. Serious.
Did you hear her? When we start moving.
I'm just.
That's how they get more people.
Grumpy. But you won't win a prize at the end.
I'm
You get a prize?
All
Good job, guys. Smile really big and wave, and then you win a prize.
We gotta wave bye to Grandpa.
Wave to everyone you
Tell
see.
him we'll see
Everyone.
him in a little bit.
See you in a little bit. I'll see you
Smile at everyone you see. Anyone walking by.
I see somebody.
You see them?
See somebody?
See someone at the other? There you go. Good job, Savannah.
All right.
Big smile. Hi. Wave to them. They're sitting.
There, what are you doing?
All right.
I feel a breeze.
Probably under air conditioning.
I feel the ride. I feel the happy.
Yeah, big smile. Little boy's
There
baby.
he is.
Yes.
Hi, Grandpa.
I got that. We're going faster.
Going faster. There's the duck car.
The ducks.
Ducks. Yeah, there's ducks at sea. A little far away. Where's my cupcake?
We got toys on our
It's over
side.
there.
There's a toy store on our
Oh,
side.
we're going all the way around.
Yeah, toy store.
Where's the cupcake?
That's better
It's
than
back there.
cupcakes.
We're gonna come back around and we'll see it. It's not a real cupcake.
10.
It's huge. It's a
10.
huge fake cupcake.
Is there some 10 too?
Yeah, it's a pretend cupcake.
Ah.
Ew.
Look at your dog.
Look at that big, huge
I don't know. Ooh, it's huge. Remember those?
I went on that one.
Yeah.
I loved it.
You did?
Uh-huh.
There's the
That's
escalator.
fun, wasn't it?
Whoa, boy, escalator.
Here.
Oh, wow. That's 100 big. That's 100 dolphins tall.
Yeah, look at that girl jumping.
How's she jumping like that?
There's a big trampoline. Protects everyone in the mall. Huh?
I like this
You do?
You like this
Okay,
ride? It's
there it
fun.
is.
I'm glad you like
See the
it.
cupcake?
Yeah, Pam bought this ride.
Again.
You see it again? There it is. The big cupcake right there. Out there.
I see it. I like to hold on.
You like to hold on. Okay.
Okay. Oh, Savannah's side.
Oh, there's the duck car.
I
We
saw
saw that when we were walking.
Ring the bell?
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, good job.
Sorry.
All right, go ahead, sweetie. All right, go sit. Right here, baby. Okay, you gonna go ring the bell? Here, 1, 2, 3. Do you want to ring the bell, buddy? You got some in your ear. Go ahead. Oh, put a lollipop in your ear. You want to see if you have a lollipop in your ear? Come here. 1, 2, Good job.
Say
You guys
thank
a
you.
picture?
Say thank you for the lollipop.
I think you got some in your ear. Here, you see that?
We'll take it.
I got. I need to check your ear. I think you got some in there. Lollipop in your ear. Silly goose.
Okay.
A lollipop? What do you say?
You're welcome. You guys have a good day.
I like it for my
Where'd you find it? Where'd you get the sucker?
Just order it all and
Was
then
it in
say
your
it's
ear?
rope training.
Yeah.
It was in
Was it
your
in
ear.
your ear? Was it in your
Do you know you had a sucker in your ear?
I like it on my plate.
Huh?
Don't eat it. It was in your ear.
No. It was wrapped.
Oh, it wasn't
Was it in your ear?
Go ahead. I guess since you already did it.
Okay.
Okay. You go ahead and eat it.
Huh?
Do you want your
When I
sucker?
play my door.
With your what? Here, we'll take the wrapper. You want?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, well, I'll find the trash for it. You can do it?
I love it.
What is it? Grape?
Did it go outside?
I like to hold mine.
All right.
There's no one.
Oh, well.
Oh, good. It didn't crash.
Why they're not putting this on?
It'll stop in a